Welcome back guys, back to my channel. This is the Stock Estate. I'm an ex-financial advisor and today we're going to be talking about all things NIO stock. Okay, remember the last video that I have about NIO? Okay, I actually told everyone not to be too FOMO and buy the highs here at $50-ish, $53 because there's a high chance for a reversal, which in a sense soon after there was a reversal, okay, and in fact anyone could tell that a reversal will be coming very soon. Okay, I'm just there to warn everyone not to chase this kind of parabolic highs. Okay, and we did get the dip that we have, and we really wanted this kind of dip so that we could actually rebuy into NIO. Okay, and today's topic will be all about NIO and its pre-anticipatory run-up opportunities. Okay, and let's jump straight into the table of contents. Okay, so first, before I start talking about NIO, I'm going to just name drop some stocks that I'm actually looking at besides NIO. Okay, so I'm pretty sure some of you will be very interested by that. It will just be a quick run through and you can do your own DD on that. Okay, secondly, okay, I will be doing and talking about potential catalysts for NIO. Okay, besides NIO Day. Okay, I'm pretty sure everybody knows about NIO Day, but what are the other catalysts that, in my opinion, in my research, that has a potential for NIO to run even further? Okay, and third, what is my plan to trade this stock? Okay, I want everyone to use my plan again as a guide, okay, and do your own due diligence, do your own plan, and also craft it based on your own risk profile. Okay, and yeah, for my new subscribers, alright, welcome very much. Okay, type down in the comment section below, what kind of video you wish to see, okay, what can be improved. I'm all ears. And for my new viewers, subscribe, join the community of investors who plans for their exit strategy and makes decisions based on logic, not emotion. And to everyone here that's watching, thank you very much for being here, man. Okay, I really appreciate you. Okay, and a like button and an early like button, will really help out the channel and encourage me to put up more great content. Alright, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so some stocks I'm actually looking at. Okay, first is Teladoc. Okay, Teladoc has just been insane. Okay, I'm really loving this stock. Fundamentally. Okay, please go take a look at it. Okay, it has been trading below 200s, and I believe that it's going to break out 200 very soon. Okay, last chance to get on the train before 200s. Okay, before it actually takes off. Okay, after the merger with Livongo, everything will be super insane with this company. Okay, NIO. Another stock, okay, NIO, not NIO. Okay, I actually love this company a lot. Okay, this company is a electric scooter play, and it's a very undervalued play, and it's going to break out soon. Okay, it's now in the $28, $29 range. Soon will break up to the further upside to $40 in my opinion. Okay, Access Sciences. Okay, read through its reports, read through its earnings call, and I can see very high potential catalysts coming in January, where they announce some really good contracts or announce some really good information on their breast cancer treatment. And lastly, Unity. Okay, Unity is a company that recently just IPO'd. Okay, it has a really bullish trend. Okay, it's just been on an insane tear. Okay, and recently it just been a very small pullback, which I load up a little bit on, but however it just managed to run further. Okay, insane. Okay, so these four stocks I'm looking at right now. Okay, and you should go and check them out as well. Okay, so if you wish me to elaborate on them further, okay, maybe comment down in the sections below. I will make a separate video on them. Okay, now back to NIO. Okay, the juicy NIO. Okay, let's talk about the catalyst. Okay, Ken. So if any of you who do not know what's the main catalyst here, okay, I will just tell you straight up, it's NIO Day. Okay, NIO Day is where they will be announcing their new sedan, okay, and they'll be announcing on the new features of their new car, and it will be happening on 9th of January, okay, and you can expect it to have a kind of run up, because many people will kind of compare it similarly to Tesla's battery day. Okay, you can remember Tesla's battery day, right? When they announced the battery day, there was such a huge run up towards battery day, and that was the other huge run up that happened with the stock split itself. So everybody will be looking forward to 9 January. Okay, and now it's just we have currently a few more weeks before 9 January. Okay, three more weeks. Okay, 3 more weeks itself. So now, okay, maybe we can already start to play this pre-anticipatory run. And now I'm gonna jump into the other catalyst besides NIO Day. Okay, so all this information I got from its reading through its reports, and as well as its 10K, as well as its earnings call itself, and I got some screenshots here that I would really like to share. Okay, so all these catalysts here points to very bullish or very high chance of them announcing something breakthrough or something very innovative that will actually spike up or cause the stock to explode. Okay, so the first one is actually sales and service network. Okay, NIO has opened 22 houses and 159 NIO spaces in 106 cities and 159 power swap stations in 70 cities in China. Okay, and they're also developing second generation power swap stations with lower costs. Okay, so this is the most important part. Okay, so they have already opened all of these, right? Okay, and now they're actually opening second generation power swap stations with lower cost and better experience. So they plan to deploy this second generation swap station in the first half of 2021. Oh, pardon me, I gotta clear my throat a little. Okay, so yeah, you can see that from the first half of 2021, right? Can happen anytime. Okay, so if they announce this kind of we are deploying this second generation swap, right? You can bet, with how hyped up the market is about EV companies, and every small little thing about this kind of EV companies, this will probably cause a massive spike as well. Similarly to when they announced the battery as a service subscription model. Okay, and right, okay, when you look at the second part, right, they talk about its production capacity. Their own supply chain has already reached 5k units per month in September. Okay, and they are also targeting to expand the overall supply chain command to 7,500 units per month. Okay, in January 2021 to meet the growing user demand. Okay, so probably they'll release some article or something that we have hit this target or something. Okay, and this will actually increase more bullish sentiment or more fundamental news that would boost the stock price itself. And January is very close. Okay, very close, my friends, very close. Okay, so even if NIO Day doesn't really give you the pre-anticipatory run that you need, okay, there's many other catalysts in January on the first half of 2021 that will actually boost this stock fundamentally. Okay, and even more news. Okay, in November 6th, okay, they launched the 100k watt battery pack. Okay, and this is a very, very good battery pack, yada yada yada. You'll talk a lot of things, so including the thermal propagation prevention designs and a lot of stuff. Okay, and this 100 kilowatt battery pack will begin deliveries in December. Okay, they start December. When will the news come? January, February, they'll start introducing, some kind of a sales, or they'll announce some sales regarding this. So very, very bullish sentiment in the next few months of NIO. And lastly, in regards to R&D, okay, they have a Navigate on Pilot feature, or NOP, to use via FOTA in October. Okay, which is autopilot. Okay, boost the competitiveness of NIO Pilot. Okay, and yeah, you can see that they have more R&D that they're trying out right now in October, or in the fourth quarter of 2020. Okay, which they might announce news anytime in the first quarter to second quarter of next year. Okay, so next year will be generally, I would say, very, very bullish and strong for NIO, and if the market hype is still there, I can see this stock price easily go up to 60, 70. Okay, insane. Okay, yeah, and just additional information. They are also very highly boosted by the China itself. Okay, the new energy vehicle experience index, okay, released by JD. Okay, the NIO is also ranking the highest. Okay, and that means they are really, really highly regarded, in the space in China in regards to an EV company. And the ES6 also has been the fastest selling electric SUV in China for 13 consecutive months. Wow. Okay, and ES8 has reached the number 1 in sales this year in the premium electric SUV segment. Wow. Okay, so many good news. Okay, I can see that this really is insane. Okay, in my previous video I said I warned investors not to get in FOMO into this hype and wait for a better deal. Okay, and yeah, so I'm not against this company fundamentally. It's just then, the price was just, okay, looking at the price at that point of time when I made the video, right, it was around here. Okay, you can go back and watch the video if you want to. It's about just name NIO, okay, warning to investors or something. Okay, it's around here, okay, where I can see that it's all-time highs, right, and this kind of parabolic highs is really, really not advised to chase. Okay, you want to wait for some consolidation. Okay, and it didn't consolidate, it just broke down. So right now, I'm really, really loving its price point at this area. Okay, and now, so let's, in conclusion, for the catalyst part, right? Again, many bullish news for next year itself. Okay, including NIO Day. Okay. Right, so let's talk about what's my plan. Okay, so my plan is always a gateway or a model, for you to look and craft your own plan. Okay, because all of our exit strategies are different. All of our portfolio, how much of our portfolio in this stock we are planning to put in is also different. Okay, so please use it as a guide. Okay, I'm glad to help you on your journey. Okay, so let me talk about when would I buy. Okay, actually I will start a small position right now. Okay, right now here, this area. Okay, right now. Okay, why? Because with this kind of hype that's around here, right? Okay, may say that, oh my god, bro, come look at this. Okay, you can see this heavy support line over here, right? boop, okay, support line over here, around $39, right, $39. Okay, why not wait for it to retract back? Okay, but sometimes this retracement, this kind of retracement, right, never comes because sometimes it bounces off a trend line, okay, which is here. It may bounce off a trend line here. Okay, you may just touch here and boom, and it goes to the sky. Okay, you never know. Okay, so this kind of things, right, sometimes I might actually wait for a better deal, but if you really want to, right, I will start a small position. So, for example, if I'm wishing to put in $5,000 into this stock, right, I'll actually start putting in 2,000 at this area because I'm waiting for, any chance it could break out and go further because NIO Day is just right around the corner, 3 more weeks to run. Okay, any point of time now, any news could actually break this stock out of its dead zone over here. And yeah, so I will start small position now. Okay, and when would I buy more? Where would I buy the rest of my $3,000, right, out of my $5,000? Okay, the rest I'll buy on any dips. Okay, or I would buy where the 2 standard deviation Bollinger Band and the 50 MA collide. Okay, so there's many ways you can do this. Okay, you can any day, right, that it dips, right, boop, dip, you buy a little bit, okay, 1,000, buy a little bit, 1,000, dip, a little bit, 1,000, oh, goes to the moon, oh, okay, then, okay, or you can, set a position here, 2K, right, okay, then if it goes up, good, okay, if it goes down, okay, I will actually buy in around this area, okay, so you see this area, right, 2 standard deviation Bollinger Band and the 50 MA collide, so this is the 50 MA and this is the Bollinger Band, so I would say mostly around, $40 or $41, okay, this area, I'll actually average down most of my other, the rest of my $3,000, okay, I'll actually buy. And I can see, okay, there's a high chance, that this company, right, will actually go down all the way, hit here, okay, and bounce up forward all the way up, okay, very high chance. Okay, and this is what I'm going to do for buying aspect, okay, and where will I set my stop loss, okay, so for a trader, right, okay, for traders wise, okay, so on the perspective of a trader, okay, you have to set your stop loss because as a trader, you're just here for the profits, okay, you're not here long term or for the company, okay, so these are for the traders, okay, for my investors, right, for my investors who really believe in the bullishness of NIO, right, okay, don't have to worry, okay, anything happens, okay, just average down, leave some more in the tank to average down, okay, long term, if you believe in the company long term, okay, it is a long term game, okay, you don't have to be concerned too much about this fluctuations, okay, so this is more for my traders, okay, so for my traders, where will I set my stop loss, okay, below the support level of $40, okay, so you can see that this trend line over here, right, this support level over here, right, okay, very strong support, okay, touch many times, touch once, touch twice, touch thrice, okay, rejected very heavily over here, okay, most of the time I won't see it breaking past these levels itself. Okay, but however, sometimes the market might just break through like this here, right? It break through a little bit, okay, this area over here, it break through a little bit, then it reverse back again. So don't set it too tight. Okay, I would say I'll set it around, okay, this is $39, right? I'll set it around 39 here. Around $39 around here, the lows here, the stop loss. So in case, right, just in case, okay, anything goes wrong, okay, horrible news, NIO's car crash, NIO companies goes up in flames, okay, then this thing all the way down, right, just in case, okay, I'm just setting some random example, okay, then at least you have this stop loss to protect you, because if they actually break this line, right, okay, the next line I can see it going, right, is actually around here, you can see. Okay, I can actually see it going to this level over here. All the way down here, okay, all the way down here, yes. Okay, I can actually see it going all the way down to $30, okay, which is around 25%-ish of a loss, okay, which is quite huge actually for a trader. So for trader wise, you never want to eat big losses, okay, you take your small loss and you gain it back with other companies, okay, you don't take a big loss, okay, never take a big loss, okay, so one big loss can actually wipe out all your small little gains here and there. So set a stop loss over here, okay, you will actually limit your downside, and actually have you a better chance for a high and unlimited upside for the bullish, next year for NIO itself. Okay. Yeah, and lastly, just a little bit more information for all of you, okay, last few videos, I have some comments asking, where will I take profits and stuff, right, okay, so I'm just going to give you extra information, okay, consider a little bit more of like a juicy stuff, okay, where will I take profits, okay, I'll actually take profits for half my positions at $54, okay, $54 is where? It's here, okay, $54 is around here, okay, around here. Okay, 54 around here, okay, why should I choose 54, okay? is the previous high of this number. Okay, you can see it's touched many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 54 is just a number which all the candles have touched. Okay, this is just a little thing that I do. Okay, it's not standard by any means. Okay, you can set it here, you can set it here, you can set it here. But for me personally, I'm just sharing with you my plan, right? I set it around 54. Around here. Okay, around here. Then anything else, right? So because this is the previous high, right? Okay, they'll be bound to have some resistance. You know, when it hits around here, right? There might be sellers thinking, oh, this is too high. You know, oh my god, I gotta short this. Okay, so at here we'll probably see some resistance. So for here, right, I'll probably take half my positions, take half my profits. Okay, and you know, and just wait things out. You know, and see the price movement. Okay, if the price movement seems very bullish, right, and it breaks out, okay, I might even rebuy back into the stock. Okay, I never know. But for here, this is like more of a safety play for me, where I can take my quick profits. You know, and wait and see the price movement and where do the price go, and before deciding what's my further plan. So you know, a lot of people, they ask me like, oh, so after you take half your positions, right, what do you do with the other half positions? Yeah, that's my answer. Okay, I will look at the price movement and actually evaluate and craft a further plan from then on, because you always want to react to what the market is doing. Okay, and that's it for today, guys. You know, okay, I really hope you enjoyed this video. You know, smash the thumbs up button if you really like this. Okay, and you know, if you like this kind of swing trade content, you know, subscribe. You know, and to everyone here that's still watching, you know, you are the real ones. You know, thank you very much. Okay, I hope you have a great day, and you know, let's hope for a great next Monday morning. Stock Estate out.